In Eat to Live, you popularized the formula health equals nutrition divided by calories. When you use the term nutritarian, do you define nutritarian as someone who has optimized that formula in their diet?
Well, to maximize human longevity, we're looking to have a high cellular density of nutrients. You have to eat a high nutrient diet to have a lot of cellular density of nutrients. So the secret to longevity is not that complicated. It's having a high level of antioxidants and phytochemicals in your tissues with a wide nutrient diversity and having low levels of body fat. So you want to achieve that high levels of nutrient concentration with lower body fat, because if you start to get heavier, you're diluting your nutrient density in a bigger vat of tissue. It's going to be, you're going to have half the nutrient density. You got to have low body, and body fat itself is a biologically active tissue that causes inflammation and suppresses immunity and causes cancer. Body fat causes cancer and then causes infection, leaves you susceptible to disease. So there's no such thing as a healthy overweight person. So what I'm saying right now, H equals N over C means your healthy life expectancy is linked to the nutritional bang per caloric bucket of your diet, because ultimately that reflects the nutrient bang per body weight of your tissues, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're saying, and we're a green vegetable dependent animal. If you don't like green vegetables, you better live close to a hospital. It's not going to help you anyway. But the point I'm making right now is that our cells have built-in protective mechanisms to be able to repair DNA that's damaged, to silence DNA that's abnormal, that doesn't cause damage, to remove toxins and carcinogens, and to repair broken cross-links and methylation defects. The body has the ability to repair itself, but only if you have a high level of nutrients, and especially green vegetable-derived nutrients. Even the gut lining is based on exposure to a lot of green vegetable-derived foods, especially the mixture of raw and cooked, especially just simple things like lettuce and baby bok choy and arugula. Things like that have tremendous healing properties for the immune system. So yes, I'm saying the only proven methodology to slow aging and to maximize human lifespan is these 5 words: moderate caloric restriction in the context of micronutrient excellence, or moderate caloric restriction with micronutrient excellence. And we're defining moderate caloric restriction as the right amount of calories so you maintain your ideal weight. If you're have excess body fat, you're overshooting your caloric window what you need. And when you're eating beans and nuts and vegetables, you're all satisfied with fewer calories. The point I'm making right now is the diet that maximizes human lifespan is also therapeutically effective to reverse disease like asthma, psoriasis, diabetes, and high blood pressure. But the diet that maximizes human lifespan also makes you satisfied with the right amount of calories. So you can eat instinctually. We're not going around starving ourselves. We just desire less calories. We're satisfied with less because our body is well nourished.